how to recover lost Brawl Stars account. If you want to recover a lost Brawl Stars account, first you simply open your browser and type in Brawl Stars Support. You'll find the first link from Supercell Support portal, so just tap on that link. Now over here you'll find various options that you can find. Just go to the option that says account. From account, you'll find the option called recover your account. Now, before you do all this, you also have to make sure that you log into your account. As you can see my profile picture from the top right, I'm already logged into my Brawl Stars account. Otherwise, even if you're not logged in because you lost access to it, just follow my steps. From here, select the option called recover your account and select I have lost access to my account. Then here you can see different options and it says you to simply contact the help support via the game. So you can open your game and tap on settings and select help and support. Then from there, you'll find the blue message bubble in the top right corner of your screen. Then when you do that, you'll be able to contact to a chatbot and then they'll be able to help you recover your account. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.